Good morning. Happy Sabbatical Saturday. I'm actually trying to get in the bright light here. So it's kind of hard because it's really bright. There we go. I got a selfie stick. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to kind of ramble a little bit this morning. I do have stuff I kind of wanted to talk about, but more just hello, and I want to enjoy the sun. That's one of my goals today, which is kind of hard. Anyway, so here's my deal. I have 2 businesses and 2 dogs. So I don't really get sabbaticals. And you know, I know probably a lot of moms out there can relate with me on that. You know, just having something that you need to take care of and build and develop, that is just always there. So I don't have quite as much of the annoyingness, I would imagine, of somebody tugging on me all the time. But, right, everybody's got their own journey. So, but I definitely have this experience now of, you know, there's things I got to do and that I want to do, and I'm very passionate, and I love my businesses. I just really love what I have going on in my life today. But the deal is that I'm not getting outside. I'm not getting to go do as much fishing. I'm not getting to do hiking. There's a lot of things I'm not getting to do because I am spending a lot of my time. I kind of wanted you guys to see what I had just done here. Because I actually had, I probably should have done this before I went live. Yeah, because I just did my face. You know, I really, really love using my products first thing in the morning. It's just more and more, I get to do it every single day because it just wakes me up. It makes me feel good. And so, but this is not working out very well, light-wise, even with the selfie stick. So this might be better. So yeah. Businesses don't get to get outside. So I decided to take a sabbatical Saturday today, right? And it's also my monthly, so it's all coming at the right time. But my goal today, and I actually have 2 or 3 major tasks that I need to get done today. Absolutely have to, and I gotta leave by 1:30 to go to my day job in Anchorage, or my reception job at Massage Now. So I really, one of those 3 tasks, one is being out in the sun. So I'm out here on my back porch, trying to talk to you for just a minute. And I have a pile of personal development stuff, my formulation, my lab notebook, if you can see that. And so I'm going to read about Personality Plus. I have my planner. I have my Botanically Fit business notes, and I have my Just Botanicals lab notebook. And so I am going to sit out here and do as much as possible out here. I do have to do some website content today. My computer broke 2 days ago, which is a good and bad thing. So I've been without a computer for a couple days, so I'm a little behind on some of the content I needed to turn in. And I also have but I got a new computer, which is so cool. So I got an Apple, and it's in there, and I'm actually downloading the Microsoft Office as we speak. I started last night, but at 1:30 a.m. I absolutely need to go to bed. So I'm finishing that download, and I am in the sun, and that is my paramount goal today. So there's things I have to get done, but being out in the sun, that rhymed, is my priority because I don't have the time to go hiking right now. I don't have the bandwidth to go out there and enjoy the sun the way I really want to, or that, I mean, it's a beautiful Alaskan summer. And it's just a real shame to not be outside. I'm very passionate about what I do and my businesses, and I'm loving every minute of it. But being out here in the sun is also important. And so something I'm really looking at, my goal is to bust my ass right now so that next, you know, all the summers to come, I'll be able to be out here more, and I'll be able to travel more. I'm really looking forward to that, because so far when I go, I do a lot of traveling. I know you've probably seen that, but it's like really, really quick. I got to take care of business. I got to go. I don't really get to really enjoy the places that I visit most of the time. Well, that's going to change. So, and that's why I'm busting my ass right now. But life is good, and I'm out here with my dogs, and they're in the sun, and I'm in the sun, and I will get them out for a nice long walk today. So, priority number 1 today, sun. Priority 2, website content. Priority 3, formulate all the new products that I need to make tomorrow. Because if I don't do it tomorrow, I'm doing it tonight, or I'm doing it tomorrow, and tomorrow will then be a very late night, which they've been late here lately, but that's okay. I love it, and I'm really glad that I'm outside. So have an awesome day. I hope you get out here too. Bye.